Well, hello, fellow dissidents and kulaks. Today I'm going to open up my last case of Yugo M67 ball. This is some good shooting ammo. It's got corrosive primers, so a lot of people stayed away from it back in the day, but it's also loaded a little bit hot, and word has it that the projectile is just a little bit unstable in tissue and tends to yaw earlier, creating a wider temporary stretch cavity than most full metal jacket. Although full metal jacket in this caliber never expands or fragments or any of that sort of thing. Obviously it wouldn't expand, but in 5.56, of course, M193, M855, most full metal jacket tends to fragment reliably, increasing the size of the wound channel. But 7.62 tends not to do that. So if you want to get better terminal performance out of it, you got to use soft points and bullets designed to expand and or fragment or whatnot. But I really like the way that the commies package this stuff up. This, of course, is Yugoslavian. But the Soviet stuff is similar in the way that they packaged it. This particular ammo is really cool because it comes on stripper clips. But we're going to start by breaking this little seal right here. I'll lift this up for you a little bit. You can probably see it better. But it's just a little lead seal and a wire, and you just kind of muscle it open. And there it goes. Been holding on to that sumbitch for a long time, and I'm sad to see it go. But I'll go ahead and line these little key things up with the latches. Inside you've got your typical Cyrillic. I'll lift you guys up here for a second so you can see better. Some markings on it. We just have to lift this little this little wooden dowel to run the wire around and cut this seal. You can see how the box is sealed with lead solder, real sloppy, like they weren't even paying the guy to do it. But and there we go. Now, if we get in here and we pull this out, and if this was American, there'd be a little piece of cloth here to pull up that first box to make it a little easier to get out. But we've got a more Cyrillic commie writing that I can't read, but apparently that probably says 40 cartridges. I don't know what type it is. But this is what I was talking about here that I think is pretty neat, and that these come loaded on stripper clips. Pretty handy, I think. It's neat stuff. It's good ammo. Like I said, it's corrosive primers, but otherwise pretty decent ammo, and I kind of like it. Had to bust it open today because the AK wants. Had to bust it open today because the boy wants to go shoot the AK, and I am not about to tell him no. I love you.